What's the meaning of cliquey? Cliquey. Cliquey.
Cliquey. Cliquey. The word cliquey is used to describe a situation or group of people where exclusivity and favoritism are present. It refers to a group that forms a tight and exclusive social circle, often marked by an unwritten code of behavior and a shared sense of identity. People who are not part of the clique may feel left out or excluded from important information or opportunities. In some cases, the cliquey behavior can result in negative consequences, such as bullying or discrimination. Overall, cliquey suggests an unhealthy form of social interaction that favors some individuals over others.